In the vast tapestry of the world, there exists an undercurrent of stories untold, voices unheard. This is where the voice of the oppressed steps in, shedding light on the narratives of those in Palestine and across the globe who face oppression daily. Imagine living a life under constant scrutiny, where expressing oneself comes with unimaginable risks. This is the reality of many in Palestine. Their struggle, their resilience, their spirit, these are the stories we aim to amplify. Beyond borders, the echo of oppression resounds worldwide. From the farthest corners of the earth to your very doorstep, the voice of the oppressed seeks to bring these stories to the forefront, challenging the status quo, sparking conversations and inspiring change. Join us as we journey into the heart of these narratives, unearthing truths and fostering understanding. Remember, in the face of oppression, silence is complicity. Speak up, listen, and let the voice of the oppressed be your guide. As we stand on the precipice of a new era, let this be the beacon that guides us to a more just and compassionate world. This is Voice of the Oppressed, unmasking the unheard, unearthing the unseen,